Let us see the summary of the story Reach for the Top, Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova, with her ready smile and glamorous attire, took the top position in women's tennis in the year 2005. She accomplished this in just 4 years of playing professional tennis. This rise in the fiercely competitive tennis world began when Sharapova was only 9 years old. She and her father left Russia to travel to the United States of America. Her mother, Yelena, had to stay back in Russia because of visa restrictions. Maria endured a 2-year separation from her mother. This taught her the meaning of sacrifice. It also taught her that excellence required a price. During this time, she was incredibly lonely. Her father, Yuri, would often work late to provide for her tennis training. Every night, she would go to sleep at 8. And every night at 11, she would be woken up by the older pupils of the room. They would then order her to clean and tidy the room. This experience taught Maria determination and mental strength. She resolved to pursue her dream despite various insults and humiliations. Her strength enabled her to win the Wimbledon in 2004. The following year, she took the top spot in women's tennis. Though her journey has touched her fans, Sharapova herself has very little time for sentiment. She considers herself ambitious, competitive, and hardworking. She also considers the sacrifices she made to be worth it. Sharapova considers herself both American and Russian. Even though her American accent is flawless, she is very proud of her Russian nationality also. She has declared that she would play for Russia in the Olympics if they would have her. Maria's hobbies are like that of any typical teenager: fashion, singing, dancing, etc. She also loves to read Arthur Conan Doyle and indulge in pancakes, fizzy drinks, and chocolate spread. Maria Sharapova's desire to succeed has made her the best in the world. She is a category by herself. While Sharapova is more than happy to earn money, she is more motivated with being the number one tennis player in the world. Thank you.